Top 5 free AI image generators to replace Midjourney. Welcome, creative minds. In today's video, we're diving into the world of free AI art generation. Now, we all know that some platforms out there come with a hefty monthly fee, like Midjourney's $10 or ChatGPT's $20. But fear not, because I've got your back. Today, I'll introduce you to 5 fantastic free image generators. We'll explore the image quality they produce, the extra features they offer, and just how free they really are. By the end of this video, you'll have uncovered your new favorite AI art creation tool. Number 1, SEAART.AI. Let's kick things off with SEAART.AI, the user-friendly image wizard. This might be one of the simplest tools for you to craft a variety of unique and stunning images for free. What sets SEAART.AI apart is its ability to click on a picture you like, hit try, and generate a similar image with ease. You can even go a step further, adding effects like epic realism or aura. With daily credits that reset, you can design the images you love, adjusting quality, size, and more. Number 2, Playground AI. Next up, we have Playground AI, where creativity knows no bounds. Featuring a gallery right on the homepage, you can easily create amazing images. Copy the prompt, remix it, and explore filters like ProtoVision. The canvas option allows for dynamic creativity. Simply type a question, choose the number of photos, and watch the magic unfold. With the ability to generate up to 500 images daily for commercial use, Playground AI is a playground indeed. Number 3, Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai, the pinnacle of AI-driven artistry. With a visible pipeline and model, you can convert images or remix them with incredible ease. The linked images showcase the superb quality and detail that Leonardo.ai can achieve. Whether you create 1 or 2 images, the credits required are minimal, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer occasional image generation. Number 4, Adobe Firefly. Moving on to Adobe Firefly, a platform that clearly values image generation, evident in its addition of generative fill to Photoshop. Navigate through a gallery of diverse creations. Experiment with different models, styles, and effects. With features like generative fill, text effects, and generative recolor, Adobe Firefly lets you craft high-quality images using credits assigned to your account. Number 5, Bing Image Creator. Now let's talk about Bing Image Creator leveraging the power of DALL-E 3. This excellent image generator allows you to fine-tune prompts and create stunning visuals. With boosts provided upon sign-up, you can refine and enhance your images with ease. Plus, with 25 boosts initially and up to 15 boosts per week, you'll have the creative freedom to generate impressive content. There you have it, 5 incredible free AI art creation tools to spark your imagination. Each platform offers unique features and styles, so explore and find the one that suits your creative vision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for more inspiring ideas and tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!